Hi everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Enjin. I'm trying to get through loads of coins that are in the Discord server. We've got a little TA request room in there now, our altcoins request, and I'm just going to go through all of them as best as I can. Okay, so there's loads of requests in there. So the most prominent ones I'm just going to get through. You're going to see them rolling out over the next week or so. Okay, I am going to do a live stream in there as well with Craig. Captain, as you know him. I'm going to organise to do some live streams over the next few weeks, a regular occasion as well. We'll make a habit of it as well, so do definitely get involved in that, and that's exclusive to the Discord server in the Patreon. Okay, so right now Enjin is doing relatively well. You've had this whopping correction right here for Enjin. You know, full transparency straight off the bat, if you lose this low for Enjin just down here that is created for itself, you know, you start to roll over and you lose that low, then you enter in a bear market, and that's the end of it. Okay, you don't need to, you know, look at support targets or anything like that. You come below 73 cents for Enjin coin and you are in a bear market because you're rolling over, okay, and you're having a dead cat bounce and you're rolling and lose support, and that's a bear market right there. Okay, where you will fall. You know, alts tend to fall 95% from their local top, so you're looking down here at like a 15-cent Enjin coin where you consolidated down here in the previous bear. Okay, so yeah, it's looking good. You're breaking out key levels of resistance right now, especially on the weekly. You're in an uptrend because you're breaking above this yellow line just like you did here. Okay, you start to get back above the yellow line, you start to get back above, and you were looking at continuation just there. Do you see that? So it's good. You're doing everything it needs to for continuation. If you start to roll over and lose these key level support, this is where you're going to enter the bear. Okay, so right now off the bat you can see, if we look at the daily time frame just there, Enjin has broken out. You've got a beautiful buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid here, and you fell back into it as support. I think that signal just there was formed on the 6th of August. Okay, so this is 20-year May crossing the 55, looking good. Right now you have broken out of a key level of resistance just here for Enjin. Look at this resistance that you've come under just here, right? It's kind of horizontal at the moment. I don't know if I've covered this before, I've done a video on this before, but I've just seen a lot of requests for this. So yeah, you're basically breaking out right now. Okay, you've broken out. When did you break out? You broke out of this horizontal on the 24th of July. You've come up, you're holding the EMAs, and this is your uptrend confirmed. Look, this is a downtrend. You come down to a key level support, you hold the support, which if you look was a previous swing high just there on the way up. You fell back to its support and you come back up and you're looking to continue. It's a continuation pattern basically. It's one massive big horizontal. Do you see that? So higher lows and lower highs coming into an apex, breakout, continuation. You're looking to retrace. Okay, unless you roll over and lose a key level support, which I've shown you, then you know that's the bear market scenario, and I've already gone through that with you. Okay, so you've got your key level of support you can't afford to see lost. Right now you're breaking out, and with that you have a technical target to the upside, and it's from there to there. Okay, and this at the moment is your technical target, which you are in to the upside. So currently you're on your way, and I've seen a lot of these complete already. Solana, AVAX is getting there. A lot of these projects are breaking out and they're actually absolutely pumping. So don't anticipate that Enjin will hang around for long, to be honest with you. Again, not financial advice, but you are on your way. From that particular break just there, that is a whopping trade of 213%, and from here right now, if you continue to hold support, you're looking at a technical target of 138%. So yeah, it's looking good, isn't it? It's looking like it's on its way. Providing you can hold support of these EMAs right now and you don't roll over, you're looking good for continuation here for Enjin. It really is that simple. Okay, so again, lose support, don't go short. If you can come up, retrace, come up, retrace, come up, retrace, like you are doing these beautiful waveforms right now on the daily time frame, you're coming back to key levels of support. You know, you're coming back to the 20, you're above it, you're holding it, boom, 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 boom. You know, you might have a correction at one point where you come down to the 55. Look, you had a tiny little wick there that almost got to 55, and eventually you retrace into this high and breaking this high up here, and then the all-time high. Okay, so I'm going to drop some fibs on here so we can see exactly what's going on with the fibs. Okay, because fibs are boss. A lot of technical analysts don't use them. I don't know why, but they just absolutely work for me. You know, as you can see from the channel, you know, the growth of the channel is doing really well, and it's because I just hit the pinpoint accuracy of these corrections and also these impulsive waves to the upside. So basically you've come down here, you've lowered out down here, and you've started to retrace. Okay, at this minute you're retracing to key levels of resistance and support, coming back up to where you formed this fib. Okay, and once you get there, you're looking at breaking that high at $3.98 with a continuation of an impulsive wave up to $11.31 of the 1618 extension. But it's not going to be easy. You've got a long bumpy ride, and you can see right now, look, I'll show you, you run into resistance at the 050. Okay, so you are running into the resistance. Initially, you broke out and ran into the resistance at 328, but what happened was you fell back to the EMAs, and this is why the EMAs are so important. Get them in your charts because you're holding it. Look, you're falling back to support, and if you continue to do this, you're going to go through exactly the same scenario here, where you broke out at the 0382. It's forced you up to test the 050, which you're getting rejected on. So right now, if you adhere to these EMAs, this is where you see the break of the 050, and you're at least looking at a trade here from here coming up to retest the 0618. So that's a 27% trade long on Enjin coin, you know, because full transparency, you come down here like this and you retrace and you can hit this golden ratio and roll over and into the bear just there. You're fully aware, yeah? So that is a scenario. So if you start to roll over here in the markets and come down and lose this low, that's really, really bearish and really negative, okay, for crypto, for Enjin coin, sorry. So far, so good. You're adhering to what's in front of you and you're holding support. You're coming up. You've been forced to break these levels of resistance. Test that, boom, 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 hold this as support, like you're holding this now as 382 as support, you know, come up, tackle 786, get through that, you're looking at full retracement to 398, and then you're looking at that extension up there to $11.30. So from here right now, if it was to go on from here, providing you can continue to hold this support of this breakout, which you have formed of this large horizontal, okay, huge horizontal, if you can continue now to go on from this point, you are looking at a retracement up to the high of 141%, you know, and then up to the 1618 of 584% in this bull run. So yeah, I mean, you know, down here in this correction, you would never have anticipated it coming all the way up. You know, when you broke out of this level of resistance just there, you know, when you break out these levels of resistance, look, again, it's some kind of horizontal which you've come up into, pretty much like you off here. A little bit overextended, to be honest with you here, but it is crypto and this is how volatile it is. And from that point, you come up, you broke this high, you met this 1618, fell back to support before continuing with the trend there, you know, and this is where we've run into a level of resistance, not just for Enjin, for all of crypto, and it's had a correction, and this is what happens in these markets, okay? But you've come down, you've landed on this swing high support, you're now looking at continuation until you roll over and lose this swing high support, which I've shown you. You know, you're not in a bear market, you're in a corrective phase of a bull market, and you're looking for continuation right here for Enjin coin. So that's Enjin coin. That's your forecast, your price prediction is $11.30. At that point, probably hit your head on that, retrace, and we may get another impulsive wave to the upside, of which we'll show you in the future. Okay, so that's Enjin. Take care, everyone. Back tomorrow with another update on Enjin. Thank you once again, and keep dropping the requests in the Discord server there on the Patreon. Yeah. Thank you for all supporting that. You're not just supporting CoinsKid, you're supporting a whole team of technical analysts as well. Take care. Bye-bye.